Here's a quick tutorial on how you can create a Gmail account without phone number. Firstly, open the Google app on your device. Then tap here. Tap the Add Another Account. Then tap Create Account. Choose whether it's for yourself or business. Then enter your preferred name in the box. After that, tap the Next button. You will be asked for your birthday and gender. Set the date of your birthday. Then your gender. After that, tap the Next button. You will be asked to choose your preferred Gmail address. You can choose to the recommended address or you can create on your own. After that, tap the Next button. And then you will be asked to create a strong password for your account. Enter a strong password for your account in the box. Then tap the Next button. You will be asked if you like to add your phone number or not. If you like to add your phone number, scroll down and tap Yes, I'm in button. If you decided not to add your phone number, tap the Skip button. Then tap Next button. The privacy and terms will be shown. Read all of it if you want, or just scroll down and tap the I agree button. And that's it. Your Gmail account has been created. Like and subscribe if it helped you.